Nice.
Finally got a double quad.
Yes! Is that your first quad?
Ever!
Really?
Yeah! Right here.
Of course, and it was with Brett.
$5 reset.
Yeah. Oh, that was really good. Shout out to my no shirt mod. G-Murder. Never met any of you, but...
Double sight record.
Double sight read.
The shirt mod, you fail.
Wait, it's not a sight read. What the hell am I saying?
How's the sight read?
It was a sight read on your... It was your second sight read.
Second read. Shout out to that Asian guy on Hangover.
Number one of many.
Oh, God. Come on my face.
You say so.
Right, this video does not go up. Oh, freaking murder you, man. Don't even play with me, man. Seriously.